Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I really wanted to show some of my top pieces for summer. Summer is coming up, summer is right around the corner, and I wanted to show you guys what I will be wearing. I'm gonna make sure there isn't any nip slips or any of that, but anyways, I'm gonna start with shorts because these are the least things that I have. And the first thing I want to show you guys is this is a paper bag shorts. I actually got this from Ross. It was very affordable. This is in size 11. I think I paid $14.99 or $19.99 for this. I am way too old for the pom-pom shorts, so to elevate the shorts look, I love a paper bag shorts. And those look great on vacation also. Those look great on over a swimsuit. The next thing I want to talk about is sweat shorts. I love sweatpants, so in the summertime, spring summertime, I love to switch it out for sweat shorts. This one is actually from Pretty Little Thing. I have some from Boohoo. I have some from JLux Label. Not JLux Label, but Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo, and amazing quality. I can't complain. They have two different versions, and I'll definitely link them below. Love both versions. One is long line. This white one that I just showed you right here. This one is long lined, and they have some shorter ones, which I have also, which I absolutely love. So the next thing we're going to talk about are tops. And I don't know why I pick out so many white stuff. I think because it's summertime and you can't go wrong with white. It's just coincidence. I wasn't even thinking about it. I love me a bodysuit, and this one is a nice scoop neck bodysuit. It's not too low, it's not too high, and the back is like that. It's a nice material. This one is from Zara. I absolutely love. And then as far as tops are concerned, you know it's spring summertime and you have to actually pop out some crop tops. I've gotten to the point now where ever since I had Milani, I've been a little bit self-conscious about my fupa that I have. This belly has definitely been harder to get down than when I had Kai. I don't know if it's because I have them back to back. I don't know if it's because I enjoyed eating so much when I was pregnant with Milani. What it is, but I didn't do any workout to get her, so I don't know why I have to do a workout to get back my body. But anyways, crop tops. I'm not really a big fan of crop tops just because I'm self-conscious, but there are certain crop tops that are okay and I think like I can get away with, and this is one. This is actually from Lovely Wholesale. I absolutely love this crop top. It hits me right at my navel, so this is why I love this crop top. It hits at the perfect spot where I can wear high-waisted shorts, I can wear high-waisted pants, I can wear some cute leggings, whatever the case is with this, and I would be okay. Absolutely love this. And then these tops, I actually got these tops from AliExpress, and I'll link them below. You can tie these tops so many different ways, and I love how versatile you can wear them. You can wear them as a crop top, you can wear them over a oversized dress, you can just wear them as a regular top. amazing. And also knit is very much in for summer 2021, so get you some knit crop tops because they're going to be everywhere. Also, my colors for summer is green, yellow, orange, pink, and brown. Those are the colors that I've really been into for spring, summer. And more tops. So these tops are oversized shirt. These are actually thrifted, but I know that ASOS have some great oversized tops. Zara have some great oversized tops also. But I feel like you can get the same effect, the same look for way cheaper at Goodwill, at a thrift store. Or you can just raid your husband's closet like how I do sometimes. So this right here, oversized tops are in. You can button them up, and I'll show in the video how I would style these oversized. Shirts. Dresses. The satin dress, okay? I feel like the satin dress is not going anywhere. This brown one is actually from Shein. Absolutely love it. I got it in a large. The quality is amazing, okay? Absolutely amazing. Here's another one from JLux label. I love the detail on the bottom. Absolutely love that detailing. And as I said, I love me some brown and orange for spring, summer. And then this dress right here, absolutely love this dress. This is so feminine. This is so girly. Perfect for brunch, perfect for taking the kids out on a play date, perfect for dinner with husband. This is super nice, and also my husband really loved this dress also. I love the billowy sleeves. Billowy sleeves are definitely in. I love the satin material. That means you're not going to be too hot. I love the brown print. I'm not a print girl, but a print like this I can definitely see myself pulling off. And then last but certainly not least, a nice ribbed midi dress. This hits me a little bit above my knee, but it is perfection, darling. It is perfection. And this color on anyone that have some melanin, baby, slave for days, okay, days on end. I'm really getting into color, and I don't know what it is. I was always scared to wear color. I don't know if it's because I'm a black woman, I'm scared to be seen, or I feel like colors bring more attention to you or what, but I've always shied away from color. So this spring, summer, it's time for me to step into color. And shout out to my girl. I'll link her channel here. She has a YouTube channel. I actually followed her first on Instagram. She does amazing colors, amazing color blockings and stuff, and I'll link her channel. She's absolutely amazing, and she's the one that made me feel like it's okay to wear color. Okay, so yeah, comment what your favorite pieces are in the comment section. Tell me what piece do you like to see me style more. I think I'm gonna style them in this video, but what other piece do you like to see me style? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.